Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a video slider to your WordPress website. So if you want to add something like what you see here, and it can scroll and you can use videos from YouTube and add them to a slider like what you see here, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to do that. So first of all, you have to go to your WordPress admin dashboard and search for this particular plugin, that is premium add-ons for Elementor. So you search for it, install it, and activate it. Then after you do that, then come to Elementor, and then go to Elementor settings. When you go to the settings, you will need to turn a few settings on. So one of them is the container, and the other one is the nested elements. Turn them on. After that is done, then you scroll, you save the changes, and then below the Elementor, you will see template. Below Elementor, you see template, just like what you see here. Okay, so you click on the template. So you see add new template. So you click on the add new template. So here select container, and here name it as video 1, and then click on create template. So when it opens, drop the video widget here. So as you see, a video, this is a default video that is there. So you will go and now copy the video you want to show there. So for example, I want this video to show, so I will come and just place the video here, the link. So it is loading. So as you see, it has loaded and the video has just appeared. So you go to advanced. Okay, then you set the padding to 0 and go to this particular one, and we are to make some changes to the section. So from there, so set the minimum height to 100, and that will let the video cover the maximum height of the screen of whoever is going to view. So you click on publish. Now go back and repeat the process up to the number of videos you want to upload on, you want to put in the slider. So you have to go back to the WordPress admin dashboard, then follow the same process and add up to the number of videos. So if you want to do 3 videos, 4 videos, make sure that you do up to that. So I'm going to do that. Now locate a section of the website where you want to add the carousel. So for example, I want to add my carousel here. I want to add it here. So okay, let me add it to this particular section. So I'll now tap on the plus, okay, and then drag the container widget. So after adding the container widget, then now after adding the container, come here and set the content width to full width, and then go to advanced and then set the padding to 0. Yeah, now tap on the plus again and then look for the carousel widget, the carousel. So type it. Very good. So this is it. Then you drag it and drop it here. Now after you drop it, we have to do a few settings here. So come to the advanced, set the padding to 0, and come to the content. So for the source, leave it to template, and then the appearance, make it 1 at a time. Leave the rest to the 111 as they are. Now you come to add item, then you choose video 1, and then you add again, then choose video 2. So if you have any number of videos that you added, you can add all of them here. So if you do it well, you should see something like what I am seeing here. My own, there were 2 videos I added. So I have video 1, video 2. As you see, they are just scrolling. Okay, so you can go to navigation, and then under the navigation, you see it by default dot is what is there, so something like this. So it shows how many slides are left. If you don't want it to show, you can click on none or whatever you want. Okay, you can also go to the slide settings, and then there's an option where you can turn on autoplay. So you see autoplay is just like the way it is playing automatically on its own. So for me, I'll leave it on because I want it to play on its own like that. Then you go to the star. So the star, you can customize the buttons. You see the buttons that are showing by default. They may be no button. So if you want to indicate it, you can. So you see custom previous button, and you can either add a custom previous button, or you can also use what is here. So we have the left button and then we have the right button. So you can use what is here. So by default, this and this is what is showing. And sometimes it may not contrast well. You can change the color of it so that it can contrast well for people to know, or people to be able to see them. So for example, for this one, I cannot even see the navigation buttons. It is so because they are too small. So we have to increase the size of it. So you see, it is increasing. Now, when you increase the size of it, you have to also change the color, because this one, it doesn't contrast with the background. So I'm going to change the background color. So I'll make it white. You see, so now it's very visible. If you are okay with everything, then you scroll up and click on apply. So this is how it looks like. So you can now publish it. And let me add that anytime you want to add another video, you just follow the same process, add the video and come and add it here and update it. So after publishing, let me clear the cache, and then we go to my WordPress admin dashboard to look at it. So I'm in the front side of the website. As you see, it is scrolling and it's ready to play. When I just tap on it, you see it will start.
So I just wanted to say huge.
Yeah, so that is exactly how you can add a video slider to your WordPress website. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.